Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Calmstep English channel. I'm John.
And I'm Sarah. Today we're talking about your evening English wind down. Many of you feel tired after a long day, but still want to learn English. It's hard to find energy for studying, right?
Exactly, Sarah. Our viewers want to improve their English without stress. This routine helps you relax and learn English. No stress, no difficult books. Just calm, slow English.
Relax and learn English? Sounds like a dream.
It is possible. We'll share 3 simple effective habits for A1 and A2 learners. They are calm and slow.
I'm excited. What's the first habit?
The first habit is listen to slow English stories or podcasts. When your brain is tired, don't make it work hard. Just listen. This is a powerful way to learn without feeling like you are studying.
Just listen? That sounds easy.
Yes, it's easy. Find a podcast or story in slow, clear English, like our Calmstep English channel conversations. Listen while doing other relaxing things. Choose content designed for A1/A2 learners, so vocabulary and grammar are not too challenging. This allows for passive and enjoyable listening.
Like what?
For example, listen while cooking dinner, washing dishes, taking a warm bath, or just sitting on your sofa with a cup of tea. Simply enjoy the sound of English.
So, I don't need to look at the screen, I don't need to read.
No, not necessarily. The main goal is to let your ears hear English. Even if you don't understand every word, it's okay. Your brain is still listening, getting used to the sounds of English. You are building a foundation like a baby learning its first language.
So it's like background music for my brain, but in English?
Exactly. Think of it as a gentle English shower for your ears. It helps your brain get familiar with English rhythm and pronunciation. This is called passive listening. It's incredibly effective for improving your natural understanding of spoken English.
Passive listening. I like that. It sounds very relaxing.
It is. You don't need to force yourself. If you feel sleepy, it's okay. Just listen until you fall asleep. Your brain still learns, even when you are sleepy. Studies show our brains process information during light sleep, reinforcing what we heard. So don't worry if you doze off. You're still learning.
What kind of stories or podcasts should I listen to?
Look for simple stories for beginners. Read slowly and clearly. Our Calmstep English channel podcasts are perfect. You can also search for other A1, A2 learner podcasts using keywords like slow English or beginner English. Many apps and websites offer free resources. Find something that genuinely interests you so it doesn't feel like a chore. The more you enjoy the content, the more likely you are to stick with this habit.
So, no fast news podcasts in the evening?
No, Sarah, not for your evening wind down. Fast news is stressful. We want calm, slow, clear English to help your brain relax and absorb naturally. High-speed conversations are overwhelming. Stick to content that soothes your mind and provides valuable English exposure. Quality of listening is more important than quantity.
This is a great habit. I can definitely do this. I can listen to English while I relax.
Perfect. Consistency is key. Try this every evening, even for 10 to 15 minutes. It will make a big difference. Think of it as planting a small seed daily. Your English understanding will grow stronger with each calm listening session. Don't underestimate small, consistent efforts.
What is the second habit?
The second habit is watch English videos with subtitles, slow and enjoyable. This adds visuals to listening, greatly enhancing understanding for beginners. Seeing actions, expressions, and settings provides crucial context, solidifying new vocabulary and phrases.
So I can watch YouTube videos?
Yes. Choose relaxing, enjoyable videos, not fast-paced action. Think about topics you like. Cooking videos, travel vlogs, or simple documentaries. Find content you genuinely enjoy, making learning effortless.
And with subtitles?
Yes, turn on English subtitles. This connects sounds with words, powerfully improving listening and reading. This dual input learning is incredibly effective. Visual cues reinforce new words, making them easier to remember. Your comprehension improves significantly when you engage both eyes and ears.
So I listen and read at the same time, but the video should be slow?
Yes, ideally. Look for videos that speak slowly and clearly. Our Calmstep English channel videos are perfect, as are many educational channels. Slow pace is crucial. Fast speech can be frustrating. The goal is relaxed learning, so slow and clear is always better. Use YouTube's playback speed to slow down videos if needed. Even a slight reduction helps A1, A2 learners.
What if I don't understand a word in the subtitles?
Don't stop the video. Keep watching. Your brain will understand from context, pictures, and other words. You don't need to understand every word for the main idea. Stopping to look up words breaks the flow and creates stress. Trust your brain to infer meaning. Over time, words become clearer naturally. Focus on the overall message and enjoy the content.
So no pausing and looking up words.
Not in your evening wind-down routine. The goal is relaxation and gentle learning. Stopping makes it stressful. This routine is about consistent, low-pressure exposure. Make a mental note of interesting words to look up later, perhaps during your 5-minute review. During the video, just let the English flow to build your intuition.
This sounds much better than studying from a book. I can watch a video and relax.
Exactly. This habit connects English with real-life situations, making it more alive. It's a great way to learn new vocabulary naturally. Words used in context stick better than memorized definitions. You're building a rich network of associations for each new word.
So I can watch a video about cooking and I will learn cooking words in English?
Yes. You'll see the actions, connecting words like chop, stir, bake, or simmer with their actions. This active visual learning makes vocabulary memorable and practical. You'll also pick up useful phrases like a pinch of salt or to taste.
I like fun learning, so listen to slow English and watch slow English videos with subtitles. What is the third habit?
The third habit is review simple English phrases or vocabulary, 5 minutes. This short, powerful 5-minute activity consolidates what you've learned, moving it from short-term to long-term memory. It's the perfect, non-overwhelming way to end your English learning day.
Review? Like, look at my notes.
Yes. Only simple things. Review 5 to 10 new words or 2 to 3 phrases you learned today. Keep it brief and manageable for gentle reinforcement. Use a small notebook or digital note for quick, easy integration into your routine.
So I can write down new words from the podcast or video I watched.
Yes, exactly. Write down new words you like during the day. In the evening, before sleep, spend 5 minutes looking at them. Say them out loud slowly. This active recall and pronunciation practice are beneficial, engaging your brain and strengthening memory. Don't worry about perfect pronunciation. Just articulate clearly.
Say them out loud, even if I'm alone.
Yes. This helps your mouth practice and your brain remember. Say simple phrases like, "Hello, how are you?" or "Good night, sweet dreams." Speaking to yourself builds muscle memory for English sounds and helps overcome shyness. More practice, even alone, builds confidence.
So it's like a very short, calm speaking practice.
Yes, it is. It's a gentle way to activate speaking muscles before sleep, helping put English words into long-term memory. Your brain works on them while you sleep. This memory consolidation is vital. Reviewing before sleep gives your brain fresh material to process and store effectively, like homework it does while you rest.
Wow, my brain learns while I sleep. That's amazing.
It is. Sleep is vital for learning. A short, calm review before sleep is very effective. Don't try to learn 50 new words, just 5 to 10. Keep it simple and calm. Quality over quantity ensures a positive, stress-free learning experience.
So the 3 evening habits are: listen to slow English, watch slow English videos with subtitles, and review simple phrases for 5 minutes.
Perfect summary, Sarah. These 3 habits create a wonderful evening routine. They help you relax and learn English without stress. They fit seamlessly into your life, making English learning enjoyable. Combining passive exposure with active review creates a powerful, sustainable learning system. Now, Sarah, what challenges might people face with these habits?
Sometimes I just want to scroll on my phone or watch a movie in my own language. It's hard to choose English after a long day.
That's common. Let's make these habits easy to follow, removing barriers to engaging with English in the evening. Challenge 1. Lack of motivation, feeling too tired. Remember, these habits are for tired brains. They're relaxing, not hard work. Tell yourself, I'm not studying, I'm relaxing with English. Frame it as a reward, not a chore. This mental shift makes a huge difference.
So change my mindset.
Yes! Think of it as a treat. Make it comfortable. Sit on your favorite chair, drink tea, create a pleasant experience. Make a cozy English corner with soft lighting. The more enjoyable the environment, the more you'll look forward to it. Challenge 2. Distractions. Other entertainment. This is big. Set a specific time for your English wind down, maybe 30 minutes before sleep. Put away your phone, close other apps, and focus only on English. This dedicated time trains your brain to associate that period with English. Minimize interruptions for more effective learning.
So create a special English time.
Yes, make it a habit. Your brain likes habits. It will become natural. Habits reduce willpower. Start small, perhaps 10 minutes, and gradually increase. Consistency over intensity is the goal. Challenge 3. Not knowing what to listen to or watch. This is easy. Prepare materials during the day. Find and save a podcast or video. In the evening, just press play. This removes decision fatigue and makes starting your wind-down routine much easier.
So planning is important.
Yes, a little planning makes the evening easier. Remove difficulties. Make it smooth. Like preparing a meal, gather ingredients beforehand. A few minutes of preparation saves effort and ensures you stick to your routine.
These tips are very helpful, John. I feel like I can really do this now.
Benefits of an evening English wind-down. Excellent! Let's summarize the amazing benefits of these evening English habits. They go beyond language learning, contributing to your overall well-being and making the journey enjoyable and sustainable. Benefit 1. Stress-free learning. No pressure, no exams. Just gentle exposure to English. This helps your brain learn without feeling overwhelmed. It's a calm way to improve. Removing stress makes your brain more receptive. Learning becomes natural. This approach is effective for A1, A2 learners intimidated by traditional methods.
So I will learn without even trying hard.
Yes, almost. Your brain is smart. It learns from repetition and exposure, even when relaxed. Like absorbing a new culture, you experience it and understand it over time. This gentle, consistent exposure builds understanding organically. Benefit 2. Improved listening skills. By listening to slow English every evening, your ears will understand English sounds more clearly. This consistent practice trains your auditory system to recognize pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Over time, you'll distinguish words more easily, even in faster speech.
My listening will get better and better.
Exactly. This is important for speaking too. Good listening is the first step to good speaking, helping you internalize correct English patterns for natural, understandable speech. Benefit 3. Natural vocabulary acquisition. When you listen and watch English in context, you learn new words naturally. No need to memorize lists. You see and hear words in real situations. This contextual learning is more effective than rote memorization. Words in a story or video come with rich associations, aiding memory.
So I will learn new words without feeling like I'm studying.
Yes, it's a natural way to grow vocabulary. You'll be surprised how many words you pick up by enjoying English content. This method taps into natural language acquisition through meaningful, engaging exposure. Benefit 4. Better sleep and relaxation. This is a bonus. Instead of exciting movies or social media, you're doing a calm activity. This helps your brain relax before sleep, and good sleep aids memory. A peaceful English activity replaces stimulating ones, preparing your mind for a restful night. Your brain actively consolidates new information during sleep.
So English learning can help me sleep better. That's amazing.
It's a win-win. Improve English and sleep quality. This holistic approach recognizes the interconnectedness of mind, body, and learning. So, Sarah, what are the 3 simple evening habits for relaxing and learning English?
Listen to slow English stories, watch English videos with subtitles, and review simple phrases for 5 minutes.
Perfect summary, Sarah. Do it with slow and clear English from Calmstep English Channel. Make it part of your evening routine. Start tonight. Even a small start is powerful.
Thank you, John. This is helpful. I feel I can learn English calmly now. It sounds approachable and enjoyable.
You're welcome, Sarah. Viewers, your journey to calm, confident English continues. Don't wait. Every evening is an opportunity to gently improve. Embrace this relaxing approach for amazing progress.
If these tips were useful, please give this video a big thumbs up. It helps other learners find us. Your likes and comments show us we're creating helpful content.
Share this video with friends, family, or anyone wanting to relax and learn English. Let's help more people enjoy English. Spread the word about Calmstep English Channel's stress-free approach.
Most importantly, subscribe to Calmstep English Channel. We have more slow, clear, effective English lessons coming. By subscribing, you'll join our growing family and never miss valuable content.
Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss new videos. We support you every step, committed to providing the best resources for a smooth, enjoyable, and successful English learning journey.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a calm evening, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye for now. Happy relaxing and learning.